We knew that we'd met the right people to support us with this project right from the get-go. As soon as we walked into the showroom, nothing was any trouble. They spent time with us understanding the brief in detail and worked really hard with us to enable every single detail was fleshed out to the full. And I can honestly say, out of all the suppliers that we worked with on our house as a huge project, Hobson's Choice were the easiest ones to work with. Their after sales and their care has been unprecedented in terms of their support for us and our home. When we were planning the final look and feel of how the kitchen should blend into the home, we wanted to evoke aspects of the sea and the pebbles and the stones that surround us. So we were lucky enough to have a palette offered by Hobson's Choice that enabled us to select colours that matched our wants and wishes for how the home should look. What we've really loved about having a kitchen that's open plan is how it blends in with everything that we need from it as a family and as friends. Because it's open plan, we have a lovely terrace and balcony, we also have a big workspace here, and we always feel connected with the kitchen. The kitchen really is the heart of our home, and despite how much pressure we put on that kitchen, it always feels and looks elegant and presentable. We are extremely grateful to Hobson's Choice. They made every aspect and every step of the way as easy as possible, with as much support and care and thought about what we wanted to produce for our home and our kitchen, where we entertain, we live, and it's the heart of our home. Every aspect, every need was helped and supported. Nothing is too much trouble. Without a shadow of a doubt, Hobson's Choice were the best choice for us when it came to creating a kitchen that we absolutely adore.